Class 5 Computer Chapter 2 Types of Software Part 3. Topic for today is utility programs or software. Good morning, dear children. I hope you have gone through the previous topic and done the homework as asked in the video. Now let's continue this chapter with the next topic, utility programs or software. In the previous topic, previous class, we learnt about the system software, one of the main type of system software, that is operating system. Now we are covering the second type of system software, that is utility software. Utility software are the programs which perform specific tasks usually related to manage the computer, its devices and its programs. They help in the smooth functioning of the computer system and it makes the computer to work better. You might have heard about these tasks done by the computer, like virus scanning, take backup of data, recover data, all these disk repair, file management, compression and network programs. All these tasks are done by the utility programs. So we are going to, and we can buy these various utility programs from the licensed computer stores. We can buy according, if we want to improve of the functioning of our computer system, we can buy all these from from the licensed computer, not the pirated ones, the licensed computer stores. And some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. Now, some utility programs that we are going to discuss here are the network utility, file manager utility, disk management utility, scanning utility and backup and compression utility. In this session, I will be covering till scanning. Backup and compression we will do it because I will be explaining you the steps to how to take backup. That will be discussed, so I need the one full class for that. So we will not discuss that in with this. So we will cover one till point number 4. First one is network utility. What is network utility? Network utility checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. Like we have in the computer lab, we have network connectivity. All the computers are connected to one master computer. Yes. It also examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic from the console and tracks the bandwidth usage, the internet part. How we can access internet also. This internet accessing is also the speed of the internet and the speed of the bandwidth, how much you are using it, the speed, everything is checked by this network utility. Then file manager utility helps the user to perform various operations on files. What are these operations? Viewing, opening and seeing, editing, how to make changes in that, and copying and deleting. It also helps in managing files and folders in an organized way in the computer storage device. Then comes disk management. Disk management, we all know, when you open my computer, you see many disks there, C drive, D drive, like this. And disk management utility enables you to view and manage the disk drives installed in the computer. All these drives can be managed and you can see what is there. It can be used to partition drives. We can divide one drive into two. Partition, we can divide them. And format drives. If there is some problem, what do we do? If there is some kind of virus that has come into our computer, what do? We take a backup, and then we format the drive for the smooth functioning of the computer. And then we can assign drive letters also. We can name them. C drive, instead of C colon slash, we can give a name to that drive also. And such functions are done by this disk management or utility software. Then scanning. The act of scanning the computer system, drives or files for possible virus or malware attack is known as scanning. Scanning, this kind of utility software is needed because these days we face with so many computer virus attacks. To avoid such things or to protect the computer from such virus attacks, we need to have this scanning utility softwares. And some of the latest or the famous antivirus softwares are Quick Heal, Avast, AVG, Norton, etc. And this not only scans your drives but also your pen drive and the entire computer system using this antivirus software. And today we will discuss we will learn up till this point only. Backup and compression, I will discuss it in my next class. So I would want you to go through the chapter from page number 18 to 19 and underline all the difficult words which you need to understand or which you have problem in getting used to it. So you underline them. You may discuss discuss or ask the same for clarification in my online class. I have given this question as homework for you. What is utility software? Utility software is a type of system software that performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its programs, and helps in the smooth functioning of the computer system. This is your homework to do in your copy and learn it well. That's all for today, children. Take care.